So again, I'm using the same product. I'm putting this on her hair. She has a lot of snarls in here, so, and a lot of hair. So what I'm going to do is work this stuff through to show you how this stuff really works on her hair. I wouldn't comb it from the deep inside, but I would gradually work my way through it. It actually works. It's actually taking out some of her tangles. For a minute there, I thought she was getting like little ropes of threads going on here, but it's actually working. It's actually taking out some of her snarls. That's pretty good, huh? Look at that, coming out. So just to let you know, this is the product I'm using on her. The one I showed you to help remove some of her snarls out, and it seems to be doing the job. Okay, I'm going to continue combing through, and we'll be back shortly. Still using a detangler because her hair is quite tangly inside there, so we got through 2 sections already. So we want to get through the rest of this, but it's actually working. The product works pretty good. It's actually getting her snarls right out of her hair. So let's see, much easier. Okay. So a lot easier. She had like little chunks of knots inside there. So now we got them all out. We're going to give her a dry. So I put some of this on her. This is a conditioning cream detangler. So you just put it on and you run your fingers through it right there, and it actually helps you get some of that tangle out along the way. It's actually doing pretty good. And that's what I'm using. And I'm putting it right on this hair, just like this. Just working it right through. Look at all them tangles are gone. This product is really good. This is for natural hair, so this is a natural hair product. Okay, so now that we have her dried, the product I'm going to use on her to soften her hair up, to give her that little silky effect, is by Design Essential. And what can I do with my... So what I'm going to use is the Design Essential. It's agave lavender. Just a little bit. I'm going to put it right in her hair. I'm going to put it right here on this section here. We're going to try to work things out. And then we're going to have to see what we're doing with this. Beautiful. That's just her first piece, so we're going to continue moving on, and we'll be back to continue to show you how we're going with this. So this is what we're doing. We're just going to smooth that hair right on out. Pretty long. Has some length on this hair. So this is what we've done so far with her hair. She has a lot of it, and this is the beauty that comes out with it. Look how beautiful that looks. These are the products. Actually made it soft and beautiful and silky for her. So we're gonna do the rest of her hair, and you'll see the finish. Very long hair, very, very long hair. So this is how we ended up. This is her hair right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a trim right now, and we shall see her finish. Look how beautiful her hair turned out. That was a silk press, all that natural hair she has. Okay, this is our finish. She's got a silk press. Okay, got rid of all that natural hair that was hanging out there that needed something done. She hasn't had it done in like 3 or 4 years. So she wanted to have something different today. She got this nice silky press. So if you like this video, a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching Burn from the House of Glamour. Bye! So these are the products I used on her hair. It has the initials. It's called My Black is Beautiful. And I noticed it has the initials MBIB. So My Black is Beautiful. It all took all the tangles out of her hair. It was really nice and soft. So, and I got it at Sally's. So it's a nice product.